ไม่ตัดใจหรอกผมจะเป็นว่า
大家走马，你看
Please be seated. Please be seated. Please be seated. I cannot speak English. This is general manager, Mr. Song, the general manager of this Phoenix Bar. This is Mr. Yang, the governor of the
后面讲负责人是杨主任，大杨，
我是雷山县人大常委会副主任杨增碧。
This is the deputy director of Leisan People's Congress, Mr. Yang.
我是西洋业公司，西洋业公司，我是
He's Song, Mr. Song, the manager of Xizang Tourism Company.
哦，非常欢迎大家啊！
You are warmly welcome.
Thank you，谢谢，你们辛苦了啊！大家
欢迎我们全世界的苗胞回到我们雷山县，回到我们雷山县呢，和我们苗族人民一起过苗年。
It is our great pleasure and honor to welcome all of the Hmong friends from all of the world to be here to celebrate the Hmong New Year with us in Xizang.
好，欢迎大家啊！
Welcome, you are welcome.
来，
Now
来，我
let's
们
have
这
a toast.
大家随意啊，咱们随意啊。
Please make yourself at home.
坐，哎，
Please be seated. Okay.
你们坐啊！欢迎啊！欢迎我们远道来的，
Welcome our friends from afar.
你们是我们的贵宾。
You are our distinguished guests.
你们把那个我们的苗族文化传播到全世界，
You
感谢你
help
们。
to transmit our Hmong culture to all corners of the world. You are very helpful.
今年2017年的苗年的文化，是我们历届的最热闹的一届。
The 2017 Hmong New Year cultural activity is the most unprecedented in this so far. This is the most grand.
前后时间有1个月。
It lasts for 1 month.
希望你们到雷山这里好好体验一下，感受一下我们的苗族文化。
I hope you could enjoy a very good time in Leisan for the Hmong culture.
包括今天晚上的酒文化，大家要开心喝。
Including tonight's wine culture. I hope you just enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
谢谢啊，欢迎你们到来啊！
Welcome, you're very welcome.
好，我们干杯啊！
Love, cheers.
干杯，加罗呢？
我也干了。哦，那边也是啊，那边也干啊，那边。